Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. Today we are continuing issue 27. We have stage 100 here. We finally reached the triple digits. Not much in this package here, but let's go ahead and get it out and see what we got. Alrighty, what we have here is the right rear window frame, and we've got the left skirting, top skirting, and right skirting. So we don't have all the skirting for this piece because it's missing this one right here, and there's no windows. So there's really not much to this one, just really putting stickers on. That's effectively what we're going to be doing here. Now, this right here was the problem child on the other side. That went in here, and this is the part that kept peeling off. I had to super glue it, so hopefully I won't have to do that this time. But let's go ahead and see what we can do about getting these stickers on. All right, we'll kick things off with the left skirting here. That is the very thin one. Peel the back, line it up, and get it in there. All right, and so far so good. It's not peeling yet, but this is the big one. We'll see what we can do about curving this a little bit now. Maybe that'll help, right? Then we peel the back and we'll just put it across the top here. All right, this went on better than the last one, but I don't know if you can see it, but there is a little bit of peeling right here. Sadly, looks like we're gonna have to glue that one in as well. But for the meantime, we'll go ahead and put this on. All right, and that went on neatly as well. All right, well, aside from having to apply a little bit of glue there, that actually is sadly the end of stage 100 here. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I'll put a little glue on here and hopefully it'll be ready for the next stage when we hopefully put the windows in and this last piece of skirting. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.